Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Beachfront Living on Crane Road, Black River, St. Elizabeth. We have here a beautiful 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom, fully furnished resort property for sale. It includes a swimming pool, hot tub, and so much more. Set on 1/3 acre with direct beach access, this amazing property includes 2 ground floor self-contained units, a 2-bed and 1-bed, each with their own kitchen, living room, and bathroom. On the upper level, there are 2 two-bedroom suites with their own private bathroom and balcony, with views of the gardens to the east and perfect ocean views to the west. The property contains a large patio adjacent to the large pool and outdoor hot tub on one side and lush gardens with tropical trees. But there is more. This property comes with a catamaran and a fishing boat. Yes, ready to move in and enjoy beachfront living. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 69.5 million, or US, $451.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.